Let's talk about the basic embroidery kit. This kit was made for beginners, but it also fit for people who learned embroidering a long time ago and forget everything. That could be a really good reminder and also a good decor for your craft room. In this kit, you will find everything you need to make your project. Starting with this 28 pages booklet covering everything you need to know from A to Z. It also includes 2 pieces of fabric, one with the template printed on it, and another one is a solid white cotton fabric. This second one is going to be great if you want to make a second project with the stitches you are going to learn thanks to this kit. This kit also includes 3 full embroidery flosses. You will have way too much floss to make this project. And 2 embroidery needles. And finally, 1 5" embroidery hoop. And at the end, it should look like this. You'll have enough thread in your kit to make your project at least twice. This kit is also available in 4 different languages: Portuguese, French, English, and German. The language of a fabric is always going to match the language of your booklet. I hope you enjoyed discovering this kit today, and you'll find all the link in the description if you want to purchase it. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.